time was your appointment?
It was 140. I mean 240.
Okay.
Gonna go get your right though. Left thumb. Let me get your right thumb one more time. Let's take a picture, okay?
Yeah. Do I have to?
You been here before?
And I got.
I'm finally here to get my physical done.
Any allergies, anything?
No.
So this might bleed a little bit, but just make sure you don't scratch it. If it bleeds, you can just dab it with this. It'll be gone pretty quick. Today's Tuesday. You have to come back either Thursday after 4:45.
I have to.
Yeah, or Friday. Or you have to do this all over again.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, one more time.
And it's like another piece of like other paper that they require. I mean, they when it's signed to. They said to bring it the next time I come and not today.
One moment. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, it's like
You can bring the form today. What's the form look like?
it's on my phone. I can show it to you. I don't know why it's fat, but like my little whatever he put in me got my arm fat now, so you can't even see it. Yeah, you can see it right there. Like it looked like a mosquito bite. But yeah, he's saying I gotta come back in 2 days, so guess that's what we're gonna do. Even though I leave tomorrow, I gotta come back Thursday. Damn. Okay. Yeah, now I'm about to go get gas because the car need gas.